Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing in Adobe Express is straightforward, whether you're working on graphics, videos, or web pages. Now let me tell you that, for example, if you want to edit the name of your project, you simply have to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click your stuff, wherein you can access projects, files, brands, and libraries and organize your content. If you do that, you would have an option here on the three dot section. For example, if you want to edit the title, you can click that. All right, for example, I'm going to edit the title into this. All right, so ready, say for example edit. Now we have already edited the title of our page. Now for example, I want to edit this specific template. Just click on the edit and you would be forwarded to the navigation menu right here. You would be able to edit all the corresponding thumbnails, elements, and videos. For example, I want to edit this image. What I can do is, you see the replace section, click that, and you can upload from your own device or from any of these images that you can edit. All right, I'm going to upload from my own device, and from here, obviously, I can do a lot. Now, you have an option here on the adjustments if you want to edit the contrast, right? Brightness, shadows, saturation, warmth, and you can also edit the sharpness of that and edit the blur if you wanted. All right, but if you want to reset, I'll just click on that. If you want to edit the effects, you also have that option here. For example, you want to edit the color, you can also go to a different dual tone and just select the edited effects that you wanted. But if you want again to edit the image by removing the background, I'm going to undo all of that. All right, go to the remove background so you can edit the image, removing all these and retaining the picture within the thumbnail. Now, for example, you want to edit a text here, add a text, add your own text here. And if you want to edit the color, you just have to go to the fill, choose a different color for that, maybe this. And then on the border, you can edit the border as well from a different color. Maybe you are going to the red. And of course, you can also edit the outline thickness. You see that? Same goes here. If you want to go for the elements, if you want to edit maybe a couple of backgrounds, maybe if you want to send this at the back, you can edit that, replacing lock, allow images, and replace. All right, so these are some of your options editing here in Adobe Express. Similarly, if you add another media, for example a video, maybe we're going to add this small puppy right here. If you want to edit this, all I'm gonna do is click the edit timeline. You have all these options. You can edit the size because it runs from 27, and if you want to edit this into half, like running around 15 seconds only, you can do that. You can also have the option to add an audio by uploading from your own device or going to the sound effects in this section. For example, we're going to use the dangerous plane loops. You can add the audio, and again, you also have an option to edit that by trimming the how long the duration is. You can also show the layer timing. Now, if you want to edit the animation, go to the animation here. There is an option for you to add an animation here for bungee. You have an option for the ends. And then for the out, you also have, for example, a spin. Similarly, you can also do that for the photos right here. You can add an animation. For example, an in is going to be like a drop, and the out is going to be like a tumble. All right. Now, you might want to click on play to see if the effects have blended together. You see that? It's perfect. If you want to edit the sizing or the orientation, you might want to go to the resize button. Now, the canvas or design runs by 1280 to 720. If you want to edit the orientation maybe to a portrait orientation, just go to the Instagram square post. You see there is an option for you to duplicate and resize. What will happen is you would have the option to edit the orientation right now. You see that? It's converting into a portrait orientation. So you have all these options here in Adobe Express. It's very easy, really. All right. And all I'm going to do now is click on clip. So you have all these options right here. If you want to edit this, you might want to delete that. So you have two orientations. One is the landscape, one is the portrait. All right. Now, from here, you have the option to download all of these: MP4, PNG, PDF, and JPEG. And if you want to share this edited page, you can also do that by clicking the share button. Copy that link, send it to your boss or client by going to this option that says only invited people can access. But if you want to, anyone with the link, especially helpful if you're working with multiple freelancers, you can do that. You can also save this amazing design you have created in these channels. Save to Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. So you have all these. Now, going back to the original canvas, if you want to edit the, for example, adding a comment, you can also add a comment here. By putting in a comment, all right, submit it, and one of the team members will also see that, and they can comment here as well and edit. You can also, you see the options, right? You can edit your comment here. Maybe put an emoji if you feel like that's appropriate. All right, so you have all these options for you here in Adobe Express. Basically here, it's very easy. You can also go to the home page, wherein if you go to the template section, say for example, you're starting with a popular template. If you want to edit a template that you like, for example, this one, all I have to do is click this pencil icon that says customize template. What will happen is you would have an option to edit all the elements that has been here. You see that? And from here, you can edit all the elements here, put in all the media. You see the title has been edited. So basically, that's how you edit here in Adobe Express. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.